Hey everyone, do you ever wonder how these little black and white squares took over the world? Let's talk about QR codes. QR codes, or quick response codes, were invented back in 1994 by Masahiro Hara and his team at Denso Wave, a subsidiary of Toyota. They needed a way to track automobile parts more efficiently. Traditional barcodes just weren't cutting it. They could only store a limited amount of information and were slow to scan. So what makes QR codes special? They're two-dimensional, storing information both horizontally and vertically. This means they can hold lots more data. Think text, URLs, even payment info. Plus, they can be scanned quickly from any angle, reducing errors in inventory tracking. Despite these advantages, QR codes didn't explode in popularity right away. Denso Wave didn't patent the technology, allowing free use, but it wasn't until the rise of smartphones with cameras in the 2010s that they truly took off. Suddenly, QR codes were everywhere. Mobile payments like WeChat Pay, PayPal, and Apple Pay, marketing and advertising on restaurant menus, posters, product packaging, even ticketing and authentication for airlines and events. The COVID-19 pandemic further boosted their use, with businesses relying on QR codes for contactless menus, check-ins and payments. Here's a fun fact for you. Masahiro Hara got his inspiration for the QR code's design from the black and white pattern on a go board, a traditional Japanese game. And there you have it. From car parts to your smartphone, QR codes have truly taken over the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting stories.